In this video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in BASE44. If you want to build an admin panel, analytics page, client portal, business dashboard, or internal tool, BASE44 makes it easy to create a dashboard using AI without needing to code everything manually. First, open your web browser and log in to your BASE44 account. Once you're inside your dashboard, either create a new app or open an existing app where you want to add the dashboard. Before building, think about what your dashboard needs to show. For example, you might want cards for total users, total sales, recent activity, orders, leads, revenue, tasks, or any other important data from your app. Next, open the BASE44 editor and use the AI chat to describe the dashboard you want to create. You can type something like, create a clean admin dashboard with summary cards, charts, recent activity, and a table of users. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will be. You can also mention the style you want, such as modern, minimal, dark mode, professional, or mobile friendly. After submitting your prompt, BASE44 will generate the dashboard layout for you. Once it appears in the preview, review the page carefully. Check the cards, buttons, charts, tables, sidebar, menu, and overall structure to make sure everything matches what you need. Now, connect your dashboard to the right data. If your app already collects information such as users, products, orders, bookings, or messages, ask BASE44 to connect those data tables to the dashboard. This allows the dashboard to show real information instead of placeholder content. Next, customize the dashboard sections. You can ask BASE44 to add new cards, change labels, update chart types, create filters, add search, or organize the layout better. For example, you can ask for a revenue chart, a latest orders table, user growth statistics, or a status overview section. After that, test the dashboard inside the preview. Click through the page, open tables, test filters, check buttons, and make sure the information is displaying correctly. If something looks wrong, simply tell BASE44 what to fix, such as make the cards smaller, add a filter by date, or show the newest orders first. You should also check how the dashboard looks on mobile. BASE44 apps can adapt to different screen sizes, but it's still important to preview the mobile layout and make sure the cards, charts, and tables are easy to read on smaller screens. Once the dashboard looks good, go to the app dashboard settings and review access permissions. If this is an admin dashboard, make sure only the right users can see it. You may want to restrict the page to admins, team members, or logged-in users, depending on how your app works. Finally, click Publish when you're ready to make the dashboard live. After publishing, open the live app link and test the dashboard again as a real user. This helps you confirm that everything works properly outside the editor. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a dashboard in BASE44. The main steps are simple. Open your app, describe the dashboard in the AI chat, connect your data, customize the layout, test the page, set the right permissions, and publish your app when everything is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more BASE44, no-code, AI tools, and app building tutorials.